Good evening, everyone. My name is Fawzia Chahman. I'm excited to be here today to talk about uncovering flu vulnerability by age and geography. To start, I would like to share a quick story about it. You can see a heat map here. This heat map shows flu death per 100,000 people from 2009 to 2017, broken out by age group. You can see that the youngest cohort 5 to 24 stay under 150 per 100,000, whereas seniors age 75 to 84 and 85 plus exceed 400 to 500 per 100,000. You can also see the uptick after 2015 in the 85 plus band. That early signal of growing vulnerability is a call to action for targeted resources. Here I chart each age group's annual mortality rate. The 65 to 74 and 75 to 84 lines spike notably in 2013 and again in 2015, while younger groups remain relatively flat. These consistent senior cohort peaks highlight opportunities to ramp up flu prevention and staffing during those severe seasons. I use Tableau's forecast map here. Using Tableau's forecasting, I showed another rise next year. About a 5% increase for ages 65 to 74 and 3% for 75 to 84, with 95% confidence bands shown here. The widening bands for the oldest cohort and reflect greater uncertainty but a clear upward trend. This forecast gives us lead time to adjust vaccine distribution and staffing. Switching to geography, this choropleth map death threats per 100,000 by state. The Northern Plains, North Dakota, Montana stand out with darkest blue all above 1,000 per 100,000. In contrast, large coastal states register moderate rates despite high counts. This per capita insight reveal hidden hotspots. In this dual map, circle size represent state population and color shows mortality rate. You can see Texas and California have the largest circle but only medium shading, while tiny circles in the Dakotas are deep highlighted. This helps us balance absolute burden with per capita risk when allocating resources. Here's the total death count by state. California tops the list at 55,819, followed by New York 43,932, Pennsylvania, Florida, and others in the 25 to 30,000 range also warrant focus. This cumulative view underscores where sheer volume demands the strongest intervention. To wrap up this key insight and my action plan, we should focus vaccines and outreach for seniors who face the highest per capita risk. Bolster nurse and rapid response staffing in the high rate regions. Automate weekly alerts for mortality rate spikes so we can pivot resources quickly. Review and update our forecast on the quarterly basis so we can stay ahead of trends. With this step, we can move from insight to impact. Thank you so much. Happy to take any questions.